Hello everyone, hello. So we are here in Kaiju Paradise. It's been a while since I played this game. It's been a while since I uploaded videos since there was a tycoon coming. Typhoon, I don't know. It was a tornado, kind of tornado. Anyway, so let's start. Gacha online. This dude keeps asking if they can play Gacha online. Okay, so here we are in Kaiju Paradise, and I'm gonna show you how to make how to get the ghost fox. First, you have to get the taser. So, taser. I bet it's over here. So you open this door, and you will see the taser. Huh? The taser was like right here when I saw it. It will be around anywhere. Just whoa! What is that? Okay, never mind that. Let's go find some tasers somewhere else. I bet there's tasers somewhere else. This is super cool. I'm healing myself. What is that, a dino? Okay, so how did I get that pink weapon? Okay, so let's go look for katanas. Okay, so let me just finish this Bloxy Cola. Let me trade it to Apple. I really like the Kaiju Basher. I'm gonna get the crowbar. And then I'm gonna get this. Oh wow. It says it deals more damage to the vending machines. Okay, let's go get the Bloxy Colas. And I'll go get the Bloxy Colas. Is there no more Bloxy Colas? Oh, there's one more. There's two left. Girl, there's one left. What is this, radio? Okay, so let me see. We got a bottle. Let me see if it works on pups. Okay, so let me see. destroy it since it's ugly, lol. I have to find a puppy or something. Are there any more puppies? Wait a minute. There's only 9 goo traction. Or go traction, whatever it's called. Okay. Ha, a puppy. Lol. I got a double bat. No worries. Free man? What is free man? Okay, so let's find an item. Okay. What is this noodle cup? Why does it say F? Okay, so let's get a katana. Or else somebody gets it first. Aha, katana! Good thing nobody equipped it first. And one day I'm gonna work here. Oh, why is a cake on the floor? Oh well, I'll let it go to waste. Oh, yum yum. So violent yet beautiful. Bruh. No worries. I have a katana. I really wanted to get the rainbow slime pup so bad. Oh no! The cyan slime pup. LOL. I'm gonna put it right here. Lol. Oh my god. I just love stealing. Oh yeah, we're earning money. Bye guys.